Welcome to Australian Immigration, where we bring you the latest updates on how to migrate to Australia. In this video, we will discuss the 3 ways to become an automatic citizen of Australia in 2023, based on Australian nationality law. Firstly, let's understand what automatic citizenship means. Automatic citizenship means that you are granted citizenship by law without having to go through the usual process of applying for it. Now let's dive into the 3 ways to become an automatic citizen of Australia in 2023. Birthright citizenship. The first way to become an automatic citizen of Australia is through birthright citizenship. If you are born in Australia, you are automatically an Australian citizen, regardless of the nationality of your parents. This law applies to all babies born in Australia, including those born to tourists or temporary visa holders. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. For instance, if your parents are diplomats or representatives of foreign governments, you will not be granted Australian citizenship through birthright. Citizenship by descent. The second way to become an automatic citizen of Australia is through citizenship by descent. If you have at least one parent who is an Australian citizen at the time of your birth, you are eligible for Australian citizenship by descent. This means that you can apply for an Australian passport and enjoy all the rights and privileges of an Australian citizen, even if you were born overseas. However, there are a few requirements you need to meet in order to be eligible for citizenship by descent. For instance, you need to provide evidence that your parent was an Australian citizen at the time of your birth, and you also need to be of good character. Adoption. The third way to become an automatic citizen of Australia is through adoption. If you are adopted by an Australian citizen, you are automatically granted Australian citizenship. This applies whether you are adopted within Australia or overseas. However, there are a few conditions you need to meet in order to be eligible for automatic citizenship through adoption. For example, your adoption must have been finalized in accordance with the laws of the country where it took place, and you must have been under the age of 18 at the time of adoption. Becoming an automatic citizen of Australia is possible through birthright citizenship, citizenship by descent, and adoption. If you are eligible for any of these categories, you can enjoy all the rights and privileges of an Australian citizen without having to go through the usual process of applying for citizenship. Thank you for watching this video on the 3 ways to become an automatic citizen of Australia in 2023. For more information on Australian immigration, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.